today we're going back diving, and we're back where we found the sea urchin, but this time we're going on a much steeper cliff.
Stab myself with an urchin.
Maybe if we went out farther, but
Yeah, I was seeing like absolutely nothing. I think it's because there's no kelp, right? No kelp, no fish. Like, I didn't even fire the gun once. I was like, I had it cocked, and I was like, the greenling looked so small, so I was like,
there's a couple perch over there too.
oh really?
Like maybe this big.
Oh, that's like.
Yeah, I feel like we covered pretty much this whole cone. I didn't really go over here, but over there it looked kind of promising, but there's so much surge.
Yeah. I did look in some of the holes over there, and I didn't see anything.
That's where I saw it breathing.
Oh yeah. I just took a shell and then my couple urchins. I was like, I don't even care if there's nothing, I don't want to leave empty-handed.
That's what I was thinking right here. I saw that weight.
Oh, I brought it up. But it's like crusted over, you can't put anything in it.
It's like, there's a dive knife over there too. Like, really old, rusted.
Like, by the condition of those things, you can tell like no one's been here for a while.
So we didn't get any fish, but we got some sea urchins, and I think we're actually gonna make some uni guacamole. So we have some avocados, and we're just gonna start chopping them up. It's gonna be a pretty quick and simple dish.
So unfortunately, today we really didn't see any fish. We saw maybe like 3 or 4 greenlings, but they were all undersized, so it was pretty desolate, and we were there for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. So we gave it a good try. We scoured like a good amount of distance, and I didn't want to end up empty-handed. That's why I got the uni, so we're pivoting uni guac. I mean, it's really just guacamole with uni,
Yeah,
so
it's true.
you can't go wrong, but we just want to snack while Matt's is fishing.
Avocados cut. Now we're gonna cut up some red onion.
So one thing that I did forget to mention was that Matt's actually opened a sea urchin that I got when we were still down diving, and it pretty much came up empty. So that's why I tried to get a couple more, and then just hopefully we come out with something. And before anyone gets upset that we're opening up sea urchin that has no uni and just killing these sea urchin, it's actually recommended that you just take as many as you can if you have a fishing license, just because the population is getting out of control and they're actually putting more of a damage to the ecosystem currently. That's why the daily limit is 35 per day per person. So go ahead and harvest without any guilt.
I just added in the red onion and now I'm gonna cut up the tomato. Please ignore also my bad cutting. I'm not used to cutting sitting on the ground.
Next to a cliff.
Just getting a bunch of cilantro.
One thing that I struggle with whenever I deal with sea urchin, which is kind of more than the average person, but they absolutely stain your hands. If anyone knows a good way to easily get it off, please let me know, because I hate washing my hands and not being able to do anything.
Why? Do you want to add the uni in now? And then we'll salt, pepper, and should be all set?
Well, this uni ain't so great, so we're gonna pass. Bye-bye. So what I do to dispatch it is cut around the mouth. And then what I like to do is take 2 big cracks. And then I use the knife and just kind of like move it, and I'll just split it apart in 2. Yum.
This is what we have so far. It's our uni guac. I don't know if it tastes any good, we'll find out. I also have to season this with some pepper. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. Okay, you're ready to eat. We can eat some guac while the sun sets, even though we're facing this way and the sun is that way. We got some chips to open it up.
Also, there's people over there that are staring at us because we're eating guacamole on a cliff. It's good.
Yeah, normally we let this marinate a little longer, but for the sun's setting, we just want to hurry up and eat.
Would you make this again on a cliff?
Obviously. I love when people stare at me from above while I make food.
This is really good though.
What do you think of the uni in it?
I think it adds a little salt to it.
I feel like guac's always good with or without uni, so the added addition is like fun, it's playful, but it's not too much, I think.
Yeah, I'd probably add a little more lime juice. The red onion's kind of strong, but...
Our avocados also weren't super ripe, but aside from that, overall pretty good.
So Matt's went really far to go fishing. So we're now hand delivering this guac and this bag of chips to him.
How did it turn out?
You tell us.
Alright, taste test. Uni guac with some...
It's literally just guac with uni.
Just avocados with uni. Small little unis, huh?
It was okay though, the taste of it. Like
Yeah.
the ones that we kept, at least. Right?
The lemon or lime or whatever kind of cuts through the flavor a lot of it, but you can still taste it. Aftertaste, you can taste the uni.
Yeah.
Is that good or bad?
I guess it depends how much you like uni.
If you want to make this guac, we'll put the recipe in the description box below. But if not, thanks for watching. Bye.
Goodbye.